everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your PayPal business account the right way, step by step. Whether you're starting an online store or freelancing, setting up a business account with PayPal is quick and easy. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have a few things ready: the name and address of the account owner, your business name and address, a verified email address, your business's customer service contact, and your bank account details including the bank name, routing number, and account number. Having this information ready will make the setup go smoothly. Now, open your browser and go to paypal.com. On the home page, click on Sign Up. When prompted, choose Business Account, then hit Next. You'll need to enter your email address. Be sure to use an email address that's not already connected to a personal PayPal account. If you use one that is, your personal account will be closed automatically. Once that's entered, continue to the next step. Now it's time to provide some basic business information. You'll be asked for the account owner's name, your business name, and address, and a customer service contact email or phone number. Once all that's filled in, click Agree and create account to move on. The next screen will ask for additional information about your business. You'll need to select what type of business you operate. For example, a sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, nonprofit, or government organization. Based on what you choose, PayPal may ask for more details, like your business ID number, estimated sales website URL, or the products and services you provide. After that, you'll need to enter some personal information for verification: the last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, and your home address. Once that's complete, click Submit. In just a few minutes, PayPal will send a confirmation email to verify your email address. Open that email, click the verification link, and your account will be officially connected. Next, you'll be asked to link your bank account to your new PayPal business account. You can use your business bank account or your personal one if that's what you have. Enter your bank name, account number, and routing number to continue. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits to your bank account within 3 to 5 days. Once you see those deposits, log back into your PayPal account and confirm the amounts to complete the verification. After your bank account is verified, your business account setup is complete. From here, you can choose which payment methods your business will accept and start using all the features of a PayPal business account, including invoicing, accepting credit cards, and managing your business finances all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully set up your PayPal business account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy business setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.